Well, welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Great things are happening. Give me about a minute and a half. Cue the music, and we're going to get started here on the other side. Well, friends, great things are happening. I am Timothy Thomas. Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Before we get started, make sure you thumbs up the video. Make sure you thumb it up. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening and work from home. It has never been this good and is only getting better. I'm telling you, people, the struggle in your life can be over if you get these products, service that offer value in the marketplace. Show others how to win. Folks, the sky can be the limit. Of course, we're going to show you some income examples in some of these programs. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action. And when you take action, the sky's literally the limit. This cash flow 400 is on a tear to the upside. Can you mail a postcard? If you said yes, folks, you can start receiving massive amounts of endless $400 payments. $400 payments are coming in left and right. Here's one that just came in, $450 total. $50 goes to the admin, $400 goes to you. And I'm telling you, there are more coming right now in the pipeline. They're on the way. And we'll open up some more proof. But I tell you what, great things are happening. And work from home. Before we deep dive into Cash Flow 400, check out the YouTube channel. We've got some incredible things going on. The strategy is to find a residual income program and or one or two residual income programs and let that be the glue for everything that you do. Ties it together. My residual income program, of course, is American Bill Money. We've got the new jumbo size postcards. Whatever you do, make sure you're a part of American Bill Money. It can run in the background. That is the lifeblood of all that I'm doing, is like the glue that's gluing together. Because, you're building a massive team of people, a massive team of residual income forever, for a lifetime. That's what we have with American Bill Money. I'll put the link below should you decide to get started. And I tell you, we're going to bring some more videos talking about it. But I'm in several different programs. American Bill Money is my #1 residual. We got the Magic Money Number, the Cash Cow. We've got the Profit Max Formula, $500 per sale. Folks, people are joining this thing. I got several people now in the pipeline for Profit Max, for Cash Cow postcard, for the crazy... $25 Madness program. Folks, Money Blocks. We've got some incredible programs. Of course, right now, I've got a $3,500 payment we're working on for the Supreme Profit System. I've done so many videos on some of these programs, guys, I kind of took a break from them, but they're just that good. The My Automatic Pay. All these programs are rocking and rolling. Work at home is beginning to just pick up. We're on a tear to the upside, and we want to invite you to come on in. I want to talk to you about Cash Flow 400. And the sister program to this, guys, is Residual 100. I'm going to talk about, some of y'all have asked about, it's still running, guys. The price points are 100, 500, and 1,000. And the postcard looks similar to this, Residual 100. And there are 3 price points, $50 admin fee. But today we're going to focus on the cash flow 400. The game changing thing about work from home is having a variety of what people would like to join. And let them simply make a decision. Have you hit the like button yet? Make sure you hit the like button. Have them make a decision as to what they want to partner in, what they want to join, and what they want to participate in. Great things are happening. I could not be more excited about Residual 400. It is a new system that generates 400, 800 plus on a daily basis. The call center will close all your sales. I was out doing several things past Saturday, and the call center closed a sale for me. I was out doing something else later that Saturday. Another sale came in, and more are on the way. You keep 100% of the sale. No computer website is needed. This is a 6x9 postcard. When people receive your postcard, it'll be the biggest one in the mailbox. This is an attention getter, 6x9. We get our postcards made over at Print Runner. They will have your postcards printed up. Admin will send you the product package, which is the USB drive. They'll send you a PDF. Folks, this is incredible. Again, the payment that I just took into Cash App, it doesn't normally always come like that. This payment like that we got into Cash App, usually it goes to the admin, and the admin forwards the payment. But sometimes the admin will have them forward it straight to you. But normally people will receive cash from the admin via FedEx. Powerful, powerful, powerful. So excited about the cash flow 100. Pause the video, dial this number. All sales are closed in cash. Here's our short overview right here at 1-800-548-6070 and use ID number 1518. Would you like an extra $800 to $1,200 in cash per week? Would that work for you and your family? This is better than Forex. This is better than stock option trading. You ain't got to worry about what Bitcoin's doing. Can you mail a postcard? Can you remain consistent? Can you follow through with that? If you said yes, folks, the sky can be a limit. Listen to our 2-minute call. Leave your name, your phone number, your ID number that's on this card. Write down any questions that you may have. And wait for a call back. The admin's going to call you back, and they're going to get you going. So great things are happening with the cash flow 400. Get all the sales closed on your behalf. This is what leverage looks like. While you're out living life, doing what you love to do, allow the call center massive leverage. All you did was mail the postcard. There was no work involved but just getting the postcard together, put a stamp on the label. And folks, we can help you win. This is powerful. This is set and forget. You're out there, folks, struggling. If you're out there on a job that you don't like, come into work from home. You know, I tell people all the time, don't quit your job first day, but you can get yourself in position. Folks, I make more now. I make about 3 to 4 times more now work from home than I did at corporate America, working in retail, working 45, 50 hours a week. Exciting times are here, and it is only getting better. Can you mail a postcard? You can even post this up on your social media. If you know Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, you can share this information with your social following. We even have the flyer. Look at this flyer, folks. A new game changer profit system. Pays in cash. Look at that. You can put that in Shore to Shore. You can put that over there in Shore to Shore magazine. Home Business Advertiser. You can put this over into Side Hustle magazine. All sales are closed for you. The sales are closed for you on your behalf. The opportunity to change your life if you take massive action. Our high converting postcards and our flyers. 2 simple steps. You listen to the overview, mention the ID number, and you're off to the races. Here's an email that you will receive. Welcome to Cash Flow from the admin. Welcome to Cash Flow of 400. You have taken the first steps to financial freedom. And I'll tell you what, financial freedom is achievable. Congratulations on being a part of Cash Flow 400. You're steps away from utilizing this amazing system that generates income that you deserve. Here are your credentials, and your ID number will be there. Make sure that you get the marketing materials. You'll receive your own personalized postcard for offline marketing purposes. You will receive via UPS a 4 gigabyte flash drive, which contains marketing and resource guide for the best lead sources available. This is exciting. Welcome to the program. We want to get you going. We're going to listen to the 2-minute overview. We're going to end the call. But I'm telling you what, take action now. Get your postcards ordered. I'm telling you, and the wind will be to our backs. This is going to be a great program for some time to come. And I could not be more excited to have you a part of Cash Flow 400. Let's get the call queued up, and we'll go from there.
Hello and welcome to Cash Flow 400. What would an extra $800 to $1,200 in cash each week do for you right now? If you can mail out a simple postcard, which is how you most likely found us, you can potentially make thousands weekly just like other members are enjoying now. We also have a done-for-you option where you can have a mail team send out your marketing materials for you. We also added a co-op, which is super affordable. We do have a call center that calls all of your leads back, and they do all of the selling, telling, and you get paid by overnight courier straight to your house. Do you like getting paid in cash? All of our members are getting paid in cold hard cash. Now, Cash Flow 400 has a state-of-the-art tracking system that ensures you get paid every time the system closes a sale for you. When becoming a member, you will receive a welcome package drop-shipped to your address of choice when enrolling. One of our staff members will explain this in detail when you call in. All you need to do now is test drive the system and leave a voicemail at the tone, and make sure you have the 4-digit member ID number handy. This can be found within the materials you saw before attending the call you are currently on. One of our friendly staff members will answer all of your questions, and it will get you registered when you're ready to join our team. I want to leave you with this. Cash is just like aspirin. It cures your headaches, reduces pain and relieves stress, and it gives you a perfect night's sleep. Thanks for calling, and look forward to chatting with you soon.
Folks, this is absolutely powerful. Listen to the overview as many times as you need to. Take massive action. Start winning. Start receiving massive payments each week of $400 each. And we'll have you off to the races. Cue the music. And thanks for viewing the video. Again, make sure you check out the YouTube channel. Great things are happening. And I'll tell you what, lives are being changed one day at a time. We'll see you on the next one. Massive action.